Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to start chapter number 2, polynomial, and today I will discuss the some of the basic topics related with it. So listen it carefully so that you will not have any confusion. Okay, I will start with the constant and variables. These things you have just studied from the class 6 only, है ना? So we will do a little brush up of that one. Okay. So constant symbols having a fixed numerical value, and variables are symbols which may be assigned different numerical value. Means constant जिसका value fix है, variable जिसका value fix नहीं है. Therefore the constant is always represented by a numerical value 5 minus 7 2 by 3, or that number which is just represented on the number line. So any number can be just taken as a constant. Now since variable, its value is not fixed, so its value is not fixed, therefore we cannot take a constant number. So therefore it is always represented by some of the alphabets like A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, anything. Now when a constant and a variable are going to combine together, so combined with some basic mathematical fundamental sign. So when a constant and variable are going to combine together by the help of some of the basic mathematical fundamental sign, they are plus minus into divide. तो एक constant variable को जब आप combine करते हो, जैसे for example 5 plus x, 5 minus x, 5 into x that equal to 5x, and 5 divided by x that is equals to 5 by x. तो अगर एक कांस्टेंट और वेरिएबल को कंबाइंड किया जाए बाय द हेल्प ऑफ सम बेसिक मैथमेटिकल फंडामेंटल साइन, तो दिस टर्म इज ओनली कॉल्ड द एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन. This term is only called the algebraic expression. One more thing, कि when a constant and variable is going to be multiplied, always the constant is written first, then only the variable. Okay, now so when a constant and variable are going to combine together with some of the basic mathematical fundamental sign, they are called the algebraic expression. Now polynomial is actually a type of algebraic expression. मतलब polynomial जो है वो algebraic expression का ही एक part है, लेकिन वो उससे different कैसे वो देखते हैं. An algebraic expression in which the power of variable should not be negative fraction root decimal, i.e. it should always be in whole number. Example I have written. तो इसका मतलब क्या है पहले वो अच्छे से क्लियर हो जाना चाहिए, है ना. तो if I am going to take any kind of the algebraic expression in which the power should not be negative. Negative means suppose if I write here 5x square minus 2x power minus 1. So in this you will see the variable is here and variable is here. So if the variable contain a negative sign, it means it is not a polynomial. It is an algebraic expression. Now fraction. If I write here 7x to the power 1 by 2 plus 3x square. So you see here the power is here 1 by 2 in the fraction. So it will be also not a polynomial. It will be a algebraic expression. It is not also an polynomial. It is a algebraic expression. It is also an algebraic expression. Now root. If I write here 7 root x plus 2. So if I remove this, I can write 7x to the power 1 by 2 plus x. Again you see the power is in the root form, a fraction form. So it is not a polynomial. It is only a algebraic expression. Now same with decimal. If I will take here 7x to the power 0.3 plus x, you see here the power is what in the decimal. So we can say these all are only the algebraic expression but not the polynomial. So for an algebraic expression, it should be in the polynomial. Its power should always be in the whole number form. So for example x square plus 2x plus 5 and x square plus xy plus 7. Here it is a type of a polynomial in which the only one variable and here the two variable, because here x, y, two terms, different terms are there, unknown terms are there. One more thing, in the polynomial, the variable should always be in the numerator. For example, x plus 1 by x I will write. So you see here the power is plus 1. But the variable is in the denominator, so I have to bring it in the numerator. So I can write here x plus x to the power minus 1, because we know from the laws of exponent that if you are going to just shift the term from numerator to denominator or denominator to numerator, its sign changes. Do you see again the power is negative, so it is not a polynomial, it is only a algebraic expression. Okay, next thing, coefficients. Now coefficients, try to understand. In the polynomial, the constant term before the variable. Before making you understand the coefficient, you should be very clear about the term. What do you mean by term? एक्चुअली टर्म्स आर जस्ट सेपरेटेड बाय प्लस एंड माइनस साइन. टर्म जो होता है हमेशा प्लस या माइनस साइन से अलग अलग होते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू सी हियर इज नथिंग इज देयर बट द प्लस, आफ्टर दैट हियर माइनस. तो दिस कंप्लीट इज वन टर्म. After you see minus and here plus, it means this complete is one term. Here minus and plus, one term. Again minus, nothing is there, one term. So in this all together you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 term are there. So it is, now you check here power, plus, 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 nothing is there. So this is an example of the polynomial. So this is an example of the polynomial and having how many term? 1, 2, 3, 4 term. Now coefficient is actually the constant term before the variable, है ना. तो आप जिसका भी आप coefficient पता करना चाहते हो उसके उस variable के सामने का जो constant part होगा with sign is only called the coefficient. जैसे for example x to the power 4 का जो coefficient होगा वो +2, एक्स क्यूब का जो कोफिशिएंट होगा वो -√3 और एक्स स्क्वायर का जो कोफिशिएंट होगा वो 2/3. तो कोफिशिएंट मीन्स कांस्टेंट पार्ट बिफोर एनी वेरिएबल. ओके, डिग्री ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल. नाउ डिग्री ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल इन वन वेरिएबल. अब यहाँ पर डिग्री डिस्कस करते हैं वन वेरिएबल में और फिर डिस्कस करेंगे टू वेरिएबल में. तो इन वन वेरिएबल द हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ द वेरिएबल इज कॉल्ड द डिग्री. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल यू सी दिस इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल. सी all our powers are the plus. Now highest power you see of the variable, here power 3, here power 1, here power 2, here power 5. So highest power is what? 5. Therefore the degree of this polynomial is 5. Now here see only one variable x, so here only the highest power will be 1 only, so degree will 1 only. So in case of one variable the highest power of the variable is only called the degree. Now in case of two or more variable, अगर कोई polynomial में अगर दो या दो से ज़्यादा वेरिएबल होंगे तो उसमें हम लोग डिग्री कैसे फाइंड करेंगे. सी the sum of the powers of the variable in each term is taken up and the highest sum of so obtained is called degree. It means try to understand here. See, try to understand a term here, one term, two term, three term. अब करना क्या होगा कि उस सारे टर्म में जितने भी वेरिएबल प्रेजेंट है उनका पावर को ऐड करके लिखना होगा. जैसे यहाँ पे 2 है, मैंने 2 लिख दिया. x पावर 1, y पावर 1, ऐड करेंगे 1 1 2. यहाँ पे x का पावर 2, x का पावर 1, तो 2 + 1 3. तो इन तीनों टर्म में जितने भी वेरिएबल प्रेजेंट हैं उन सारे वेरिएबल्स का अगर पावर को सम करते हैं तो हाईएस्ट पावर मेरे को दिख रहा है 3. इट मीन्स डिग्री ऑफ दिस पॉलिनोमियल इज 3. नाउ हियर यू सी 4x² y का पावर क्यूब. नाउ टू वेरिएबल्स आर देयर एट द पावर 2 and 3, 5 here x to the power 1, y to the power 2, 2 and 1 3. Here x to the power 4, only one variable, 4 written. Highest power you see 5. So here degree is 5. So in case of two or more variable, add the powers of the variable of that term and see which is maximum. That will only determine its degree. Okay, types of polynomial. Now we are going to classify the types of polynomial on the basis of degree. So first is the linear polynomial. So in the polynomial is the highest power or degree is 1. We can say the linear polynomial. See here 3x plus 5. Here variable is 1 and maximum power is 1. Therefore it is degree 1 and therefore it's called the linear polynomial. मतलब linear polynomial में जो variable का जो power होगा highest 1 होगा. This is an example you see, and here the only one variable, and this is the example of two variable because there are two different unknowns are there and both power are having 1 1. The degree is 1. So this is called linear polynomial. Likewise, quadratic polynomial. If the highest power is 2, is called, or the degree is 2, it is called quadratic polynomial. यहाँ पे example 2x² plus 5x minus 7. So see here, maximum power is here 2, here 1, here variable is not there. So highest power is how much? 2. The quadratic of this is an example of one variable. Now here x 1 और यहाँ पे 1 plus 1, यहाँ पे 2 और यहाँ पे 1. तो हाईएस्ट मेरे को दिख रहा है यहाँ पे 2 और इसका मतलब ये एग्जांपल हो गया आपका क्वाड्रेटिक का सेम, लेकिन यहाँ पे दो डिफरेंट वेरिएबल है. ओके, लाइकवाइज द क्यूबिक मैक्सिमम पावर इज 3. यू कैन सी द एग्जांपल मैक्सिमम पावर 3. हियर 2 and 1, here 3, 1 1 2 and here 2. तो हाईएस्ट यू कैन सी हियर 3. तो दिस एग्जांपल ऑफ द क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल. बाई क्वाड्रेटिक मीन्स मैक्सिमम पावर 4. तो सी हियर 4x power 4, you can see maximum power is power 4. Likewise, here see x square y square, adding 2 you will get 4 only. Here 3 only and here 3 only. Highest power is 4. So this is the biquadratic polynomial. So this is the type of the polynomial on the basis of degree. Now again, type of polynomial on the basis of term. The term already I explained you. That term is going to separate by a plus and minus. So if only one term is there, it is called monomial. You can say example 5 or 3x और 1/2xy, है ना। वेरिएबल्स कितनी भी हो सकते हैं, उससे दिक्कत नहीं है, लेकिन वो सिर्फ एक होना चाहिए, उससे पहले और बाद में कोई साइन नहीं, मतलब प्लस या माइनस कुछ भी हो सकता है ना। तो 5 3x 1/2xy। बाइनोमियल्स, बाई मीन्स 2, है ना। तो हियर 2 टर्म्स यू कैन सी हियर 2x² + 5x x - 1 - 2x² y - 3xy। तो अगर 2 टर्म होंगे तो बाइनोमियल। ओके, likewise trinomial, trinomial 3 terms you can see 8 + 3x + x²। तो अगर 3 टर्म होंगे तो ट्राइनोमियल। नाउ कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल, तो a polynomial containing one term only consists of a constant is called constant polynomial। तो constant polynomial कहने का मतलब है कि उसमें सिर्फ एक ही टर्म होगा और वो जो कि नॉन जीरो टर्म होने चाहिए, तो वैसे हो जाएंगे कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल। कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल जो है वो एक तरह से आप कह सकते हो कि कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल को आप टाइप्स ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल में रखते हो ऑफ डिग्री जीरो, क्योंकि आप एग्जांपल देखो, जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है -2, तो -2 को आप लिख सकते हो x⁻0, क्योंकि आपको पता है एनीथिंग टू द पावर 0 इज 1, तो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज -2 ओनली, है ना। तो कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल में वेरिएबल नहीं होते हैं, ठीक है, ओनली सिंगल टर्म इज देयर, मीन्स ओनली अ कांस्टेंट नंबर ओनली, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल। नाउ जीरो पॉलिनोमियल, तो जीरो पॉलिनोमियल मीन्स अगर सिर्फ एक ही टर्म होगा और वो टर्म अगर जीरो होगा, इट इज अ जीरो पॉलिनोमियल। So these are the some of the basic things that is related with the starting of the chapter. So I hope you have understood